How to install Discord on Android. Let's get Discord on your Android device, and here's how to do it easily. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Here at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in Discord. Once you type it in, hit search. Find the official one and tap on it to open the details page. Once you tap on it, you will see an install button. Tap the install button and the app will begin downloading. Once it's finished, you will see the open button. You can tap on it to launch Discord. If you are having trouble with the installation, try checking your internet connection or make sure you have enough storage space on your device. Drop a comment if you ran into any issues or need extra help with the installation. And once the app is open, you can log into your account or create a new one. And that's it. You are ready to join servers, chat, and have fun on Discord. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.